Hi friends, welcome to Vaibhava English Academy. Today let us look at one aspect from LGBT theory. So that is the celebration of Pride Month in the month of June. The motto of Pride Month is Be Yourself. Pride Month, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and queer, which is commonly known as LGBTQ Pride. LGBTQ, they celebrate Pride Month. Pride Month is currently celebrated each year in the month of June to honor the 1969 Stonewall Uprising in Manhattan. The Stonewall Uprising was a tipping point for the gay liberation movement in the United States. The last Sunday in June it was initially celebrated as Gay Pride Day, but the actual day was flexible. In major cities across the nation, the day soon grew to encompass a month-long series of events. Today, celebrations include pride parades, picnics, parties, workshops, symposia, and concerts. LGBTQ Pride Month events attract millions of participants around the world. Memorials are held during this month for those members of the community who have been lost to hate crimes or HIV/AIDS. The purpose of the commemorative month is to recognize the impact that LGBTQ individuals have on history locally, nationally, and internationally. So, the LGBTQ community they celebrate Pride Month in order to commemorate Stonewall Uprising, which started as a starting point of gay liberation. In India, they have earned the legal status from the year 2018 under Section 377. Stonewall Uprising, a series of spontaneous protests by members of gay community, took place, and as a result, police raids began and people had to fight back. So there was a violent uh, reaction from the police, and people had suffered so much. In order to celebrate, or rather, in order to uh, help people come out, the Pride Month is celebrated. The Stonewall Uprising was on June 28, 1969. The goal of Stonewall Uprising was gay liberation and LGBT rights in the United States. The aftermath of Stonewall Uprising was that the feeling of urgency spread throughout the world, and the such sort of protest and LGBT rights, the activists started to take up immediate steps. The Stonewall riots are often considered to be the impetus of gay liberation movement. Many studies of LGBT history are divided into pre and post Stonewall analysis. Rainbow flag, also known as pride flag, is a symbol of LGBT community. The flag was created in 1978 by Gilbert Baker, who was commissioned to design a flag by famous politician and iconic gay activist Harvey Milk. Initially, the flag had 8 colors. Now it is reduced to 6. Initially, they had pink also. Pink stands for sex, red stands for life, orange for healing, yellow for sunlight, green for nature, blue for magic, indigo for serenity, and violet for spirit. Now, nowadays, pink and indigo are not seen. Other 6 colors are here, and the colors were reduced because it was difficult for them to weave uh, so long flags with so many colors. Okay, so that's all about Pride month, which is June. And when we are studying theories related to LGBT and all, this fact comes essential. Thank you so much.